Attention DMV drivers. A big snowstorm is headed our way. Road salt and chemicals can wreak havoc on your vehicle's undercarriage. Without protection, rust and corrosion are inevitable. That's where Automotive Protection Services comes in. Our expert undercoating service creates a barrier against moisture and chemicals. We thoroughly clean your undercarriage, then apply a tough protective coating. This prevents rust, extends your vehicle's life, and enhances safety. Plus, it reduces road noise for a smoother ride. Don't wait for rust to take hold. Protect your investment now. Visit abstrustantint.com or call 703-591-0900 today. Winterproof your ride with Automotive Protection Services.